Hi, welcome to my project Basada.
The topic is composing Kerberos and Multimedia Interact View for authenticated transport of group keys. Abstract. A technical challenge and our main contribution is the analysis of the security of the composition. Towards this, we design our compositions to have institute appeal and thereby less prone to security vulnerabilities with an employee protocol composition logic that is PCL, a state-of-the-art approach for analyzing our composition. For this, we first articulate two properties that are of interest. Both properties are on the group key that is transported. We call them group key confidentiality and then accusation. Group key confidentiality is the property that if a principal possesses the key, then it is an authorized member of the group. Group key accusation is the property that if a principal is a member of the group, then it is able to accuse the group key. In the course of our rigorous analysis, we discovered a flaw in our first design, which we point out and which led us to our second design. Next, data flow diagram. Now the processes can be implemented into the multiple user process. The users can be used our multi-key processing, but the same key process it can be adapted into the IMS processing and then Kerberos process. Now the user can log in and then server it can be automatically started, and then key verification process it can be checking into our user's key. Then the MIKEY generation it can be generated and then sent our multiple users through mail. After the authentication process it can be completed and then charting is started. Finally evaluate the process. The project will be started now. The multiple users can be implemented into our group key process. The user 1 and then up to user 4 users. Now the security key sent into the multiple users. The composing Kerberos the keys can be automatically generated and then it can be sent over our personal mail ID. The same key is generated and then using for the chatting server. The key is generated, after then it will be sent for our mail ID. The key is sent our particular mail. This is a group key process, so the same key it will be generated and then now the chat server process it will be started. First we can run our server side process and then after that we can run our chatting process. The client and server can be processing now will be adapted. First the client user can be logged in, after that it will be sent our particular message from the client to and then server. Next we can develop our client to process. Now the client to it will be started. We can use our same key for the MIKEY process. Now the client to it will be started only used by the server side process. The multiple users can be used in our same key but used on the same server. We can use our authentication process. It can be successfully. Next the chat user 2 will be started. After that message can be sent our server side process. Now the user 2 process is completed. Next the client 3 process it will be started. Now the client 3 can use the MIKEY to submit our authentication process. Now the client 3 can be started now. Now the user 3 can send our personal messages for the particular site. The user 3 process is completed. Finally calculated our stages client 4 can be started now, and then using same key and then our name. It will be verified after the server side process and then client side process it will be started. Now the client 4 can be sent our personal messages, and then stage it will be calculated using multiple client using single server. Next we can analyze our Kerberos process. The user stages are split into our chatting types. Next we can grouping method to multiple users process.